Alright, hello and welcome to this chapter where we're going to design our flat social icons outline and sketch it out here. So one thing that's going to be a little bit different from this project than the other ones after this is going to be, for this sketching, we're not going to sketch out each of the 5 icons. We're just going to do the outline of the circular container that's going to hold them. And the reason for that is because since we're designing social icons, we're just going to be using the respective symbols that are associated with each social network. So basically I want to just really quickly sketch out a container and basically a flow or a theme that will be applicable to each of the 5 icons, or it will basically hold them. Alright, so I've made a circle here real quick, and I'm just going to outline it so we can see it better here. And I'm going to go quick as possible, so it won't be perfect. And my idea was to just basically have this, basically like a stroke or an inner ring. So I'm going to quickly design that as well. Alright, and so inside this portion, and we'll have a decent amount of white space between this border and the icon, this is where the icons will actually go. Alright, and just to give it a little bit more of a flair, we will have this colored in, although I'm not going to sit here and color this whole thing in. That would take forever. But we'll also kind of have a angled highlight or shadow, if you will. And so I can just quickly sketch that out with a smaller pen here. And it's just going to go basically through the center. And I can just real quickly go out through lines here. And this will illustrate the idea behind the actual shadow here. Just about done. And this will also affect that outer stroke as well. So this portion here will be slightly darker than this portion up here, and that's also the same with up here as well. So this will be a darker blue than here, and this will be a lighter blue than right here. And so just to quickly visualize what one of these would look like, for instance the Facebook icon, just like that. Well, not exactly, it'd be a little bit better looking, but and that's basically the gist of how I want these icons to be housed, basically. Alright, so in the next lesson we're going to go ahead and take this idea and make it a reality throughout 5 different social icons. Alright, I'll see you then.